Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable home button on Google Chrome. So please, the first step, you can open your Google Chrome right now, and as you can see, I already disabled my home button. There is no home button in here, just previous, next, and reload, and then jump into the search Google or type URL filter here. So here, in order to disable your home button, you can access settings. Here you can find the appearance, and under the mode there is a show home button. So here, if you turn this on, the home button will be appear beside the reload button, and here you can custom your home button. For example, by default, home button will become a new tab page like this, and you can try to change the home button by your favorite web address. For example, you can enter your web address in here, and when you try to click home button, will be directly into your favorite websites. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support this button below. See you in the next video.